Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to merge two column data in one column in Excel. Here I will explain 3 formula methods of doing this. These are using the concat function, using the ampersand operator, and using the text join function. In this sheet, I have item code in column A and item name in column B. Requirement here is to merge the item code and item name in the column C. First, let's use the concat function. Press equals, type concat and open parentheses. In the text1 parameter, select the item code and item name range. Close parentheses and hit enter. Here you see 2 column data is merged in 1 column. If you want to include a space between item code and item name, then you have to modify the formula. Let's use the concat function again. In text1, click on the item code. Put a comma. In the text2, put double quotes, space, double quotes, which represents a space. Put a comma. In the text3, click on item name cell. Close parentheses and hit enter. Use fill handle to drag the formula down. Here you see data merged with a space in between them. Let's use the ampersand operator method for merging columns. Press equals, click on item code, put ampersand symbol. Put double quotes, space, double quotes. Put ampersand symbol again, and click on item name. Press enter. Drag the formula down. Let's see the third method, which is by using the text join function. Press equals, type text join, open parentheses. In the delimiter, provide the separator that you want used to separate the each values. For example, if you want to use comma separator, type double quotes, comma, double quotes. Put a comma. In the ignore empty parameter, select true option if you want to ignore any blank cells between the columns to join. Put a comma. In the text1 parameter, select the item code and item name range. Close parentheses and hit enter. Drag the formula down for other rows. So, that was all about the methods of merging columns in Excel. Out of these 3 methods, which method you think is the most effective? Write it in comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.